Welcome back, guys. So we have a lot of things right here, as you could see, but I want to introduce you to something that would be helpful to you as a Facebook manager, which is Meta Business Suite. This is like your social media tool for Facebook, because here you could do everything Facebook right here. So let's see what Meta Business Suite looks like. So just locate a Meta Business Suite, or you come to the website directly, which says business.facebook.com. That is your direct Meta Business Suite too. So here in Meta Business Suite, we have a whole lot of things you could see. You could create posts directly from here. And when you try to create posts directly from here, you'll see what it feels like to create a post. Like you could see texture, add photo, video, then you have option to schedule, then you could share to your story. So we have that for one. Then you could go on and on. You have your notification. So if you don't have an account yet, it's very easy to create an account. It's just your Facebook page account that you can use to create your account on Meta Business Suite. So you have your notifications, you have Ads Manager, which we're going to talk about, you have Inbox, which you can check comments and all those things. So you have content. I could discard this, and when you come to, we have content right here. So you see all the content you've created, and you could actually look into seeing their analytics and every other thing. So you could see the reach and everything right here. So we have content, and you have creator marketplace, of course. You have all these things that could help you. So we're going to see how we can use this to do basic things like creating of posts, creating of ads, doing all this basically. So this is Meta Business Suite. The only tool you need to manage a Facebook page as a social media manager and marketer. So this is going to come in handy. You're going to see it furthermore in this lesson. But basically, that is all what Meta Business Suite is all about. So go get it, try it, and have a dashboard like this. You're going to see how we're going to use it much more later in this lesson. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.